Viewers, well, I picked up this pretty cool tape deck. It's a Philips F6133 model. I just tested it and the belt seemed good. It's got an unusually small pinch roller. For something made by Philips, they invented this format. That's a damn underkill pinch roller and idler tyre there. And capstan, I mean. Look at this. That needs a good cleaning. Ferrite head. It feels good on my fingernail, so that's the main thing. It's a FSX ferrite head servo control. Nice. Check that motor out. Nice big pulleys. It's a nice big heavy duty motor. The belts are all good, luckily. Big plastic flywheel, which is a... yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy to spin by hand, so it's definitely a flywheel. It's not fake. This is kind of like this about Philips. They're unusual how they made things. This is a Belgian made, so it's a real Philips, made in Belgium. This sort of mechanism here just rocks back and forth. It's kind of an unusual auto-stop mechanism there. There's the main board, all Philips components, Philips capacitors. There's your power switch. This just goes in the back. Pretty cool. Nice big motor. You can't find a date. I think it's mid to late 80s. You're Primolino, Italy. Wow. It's actually a nice deck. I've got a matching tuner with it, but the vacuum fluorescent display is not getting power. Either the vacuum fluorescent display has got the filament's not getting power, or capacitors. But it's, the vacuum fluorescent display is not working at all. Not even the slightest dimness to it. So I've got to figure out what's wrong with that. It's a little standalone tuner that goes with this tape deck. No HX Pro or anything like that. It's made before that era. I'll put a cleaning cassette in here. We can show you this move all going. It's quite a cool mechanism. Smells good. It's the first time I pulled it apart. But actually, it's the first time it's ever been pulled apart. So, just to inspect the belts. I need to see how it go, and it worked, but I want to see how good it is. Probably going to clean this record switch. Stuck. Pretty heavy duty stuff. Look at that bolt. Wow, that's well made. That goes to a solenoid for recording. Yeah, anyway, let's put a cleaning cassette in this, and we'll show the mechanism going. I want to see how it all goes. I'll hit play, and I'll logic control this one. I don't know what time it does, I've got to find out how it works. There's the auto stop. Quiet as a mouse, smooth running. That's really cool. Cams and everything in this thing. That's a really cool mechanism. Yeah, the heads and everything, they're really good clean. They are filthy. I want to show you this auto stop works. I'll look at the tape from the front. I'll keep the camera on the mechanism here for auto stop. We're halfway through the tape so far. Really cool stuff. I'll do a proper demonstration later with a tripod with actual music playing something on the tape. The way I can show how it all works. This is just a quick one, this video for now. Stopping the tape now, hit the end. That is cool. Check out that mechanism. That's a really cool mechanism. Now if I rewind, it goes forward. Can't. Stops. Stops. Rewind. Hit the end. Stops. No unusual cracks in the gears. I know Philips sometimes have some models, not this one I don't know of in particular, but some models had like a gear in there. It looks like that. That yellow one there. It's called a Ceese Gear, but this doesn't seem to have that problem that I can see. There's a Ceese Gear in there, see? This white gear's a bit of a problem with these Philipses, but it seems to work alright. Let's get those heads are clean. Can't. She's open. It does run quite smoothly. The buttons are made of metal too. Metal buttons. Very good quality stuff. Anyway, let's get his heads are clean. We'll give it a put a cassette in it and play something.
The reason they're doing this
okay, my Isaac Butter called tape on.
Of offending someone, and that
I'll pan the camera carefully as I can.
In the words of the great
look at these mechanisms.
Comedian Steve Hughes.
Nothing happens when you're offended. There's nothing. I went to the.
Yeah, you can be very wary of these Phillips
and I was offended.
so-called Ceese Gears. These are a high failure rate with Phillips tape decks. For Phillips inventing this format, why would they do this to their own format? Their own invention is beyond me, but that's just a weak Achilles heel Phillips tape decks of this era. And then throughout the 70s too.
Good people in, some refugees.
Yeah, there is some good people out there who can 3D or looking at 3D print replacement parts like that, fortunately, which is good.
But it's not funny at all. I'm sure they'd love to hear that.
It's quality.
Real problems to worry about.
There's one, two...
Finding food. They don't have to worry about these simple...
Two belts on the motor I've got to replace, should they go bad. Then they got another belt for the counter. That's about it. This is all servo controlled stuff here. This little looks really cool. This little spin going on in here. Look at that. That's really cool.
You don't have to hunt for food. It's provided for you. You don't have to...
That is really cool.
To see, lights just turn on.
There's a counter, a really heavy duty counter mechanism there.
Problems, you create them. Because some people need to have problems.
Bias, left and right channel, record levels, preset, don't touch those.
Get the irony of me being outraged at people being outraged, but let me
very cool stuff.
Get fucked, I've got a beard. Take, for example, this video starring Donald Trump.
That's a quality stuff.
When you're a star, they'll let you do it. You can do anything.
Quality mechanism. I like looking at that.
I can do any of that.
The outrage that ensued from this...
That's a really cool mechanism that Phillips used. Just those so-called cheese gears, those yellow-looking clear gears that are high failure rate with these decks.
And don't get me wrong.
As I said, why would Phillips do this to their own format? I don't know, but that's just Phillips.
I get that.
Now, they invented the compact cassette. They should have... they're generally pretty good, though. Pretty good with their stuff. It's just... I find it kind of unusual. Why would they have an Achilles heel in their own little thing? Something they invented.
When people come out and say...
They all feel cold to the touch because they're aluminium buttons.
Usually means that they've done something exactly...
Needs a bit of a clean.
In fact, I'm pretty sure every single bloke watching this
Dolby B only.
has made a joke
Chrome, metal.
And I
No selection, normal tape mode there.
This is another example of where the importance of intent is most prevalent. If you are saying something for the purpose of being
I can pull it out.
cunt, then yes, it may be a
Pull for balance.
But if you are just doing it for humour, then you're just doing it for humour. It's a joke. Well, Isaac,
Okay, I'll leave it as it is.
Behind every joke. Yeah, righto.
Okay, there you go. That little, I'll show you this potentiometer.
What are you going to start squatting?
There's a little potentiometer there for the level and the balance potentiometer. All Phillips capacitors, their own stuff. They're usually good, those Phillips Armage capacitors. They're very reliable caps. Dolby chip, LM1121CN, LM1121CN. I'm assuming that's for left and right channel.
Incorrectly chosen gender pronoun.
Smells good in here.
They're real ones, by the way. Then you can go to jail.
The tape's a bit recorded funny. It's picking up. It's picking up high and low for some reason. Just how I recorded.
If you're a transgender person and you want to be called a sir or a zer, fucking oath, I'll call you whatever you want just to make your life a little bit easier on this planet. I don't give a shit, but don't make it fucking law.
This is another in-out cable.
That's not a free.
I don't know why it's got a picture on it.
That's some Nazi Germany.
It came with it anyway. I made sure I grabbed it because it wasn't plugged in it.
Germany.
It's just so you can have this or that, or even both. If you want to plug two signals into this thing at once and make a mixtape, I don't know. Might try that actually.
He's a YouTuber out of Scotland. Marcus's life is...
End of the tape. Plays well. Plays very well. Reliable stuff. Quality stuff. Heads clean up okay. There's a lot of oxide built up on those heads. I scrubbed and scrubbed, but I got too much alcohol and the markings came off the side of the head. It's the second time I've done that in the tape deck, so gotta be careful. Yeah, there's a lot of oxide on that. A lot of oxide. But that's an unusually thin pinch roller on there. Just the tape itself, that's it. Don't know what they've done there. Normally they go overkill on the capstone and the pinch roller, but this one is just minimalist. Very well made though. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. I'll put the top back on. It's looking pretty good inside. I don't have to do anything in it. Playing well. There we go. There's a model. Thanks for watching.